This is my review of the AWeber Crash Course. Hi there, I'm Victor. If you enjoy this video, please click on the like button. To say hello or ask questions to me, please do that in the comment section below the video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. So, this is my review of AWeber Crash Course from the vendor 𝐩𝐫𝐨𝐝. In this review, we'll look at the sales page. I'll take you in and show you what you get with this product purchase in a short demo, and I'll conclude with my recommendations and why. So the AWeber Crash Course is a PLR. That stands for Private Label Rights, and it's a really good quality 3-hour training course on video about how to use AWeber, the autoresponder, to build email lists, but then also a whole lot more from what I've seen. By the way, as I'm recording this video right now, up until 11 p.m. tonight Eastern Time, it's only $10. And it includes a whole lot. And I'm going to show you everything that it includes in just a moment. I want to take you into the sales page first, and let's take a look at that. And really, I want to say that I think this is like a 3-in-1 opportunity for a really good price. And even after 11 p.m., it's still a great price. And why am I saying a 3-in-1 opportunity? Because ultimately this is a PLR course. In other words, private label rights. You can take this training and rebrand it as your own training and then have people pay for the training, or you can give it away in exchange for like an email address and stuff like that. And so that's one thing. So it's like a product. Another thing is you can take this as training for yourself. Go through the training. If you have AWeber, go through it. If you don't have AWeber, well, AWeber has a free membership right now for up to 500 subscribers. So you can have a list of up to 500 in a free account and test all of this out for yourself and see what you think. But you go through the training and apply it for your own business. Build a list. Get some good understanding of marketing and email list use of all of that. Just from the videos I've been watching of it and everything, I've already been learning some stuff and I'm happy for it. So one, it's a product. Two, it's training that you can use for your own business. And I say three, because it's also an opportunity. What if you want to go through the training and become like an authority on AWeber and how to use AWeber? Then you could turn around and help other people or businesses like a service. That's why I'm saying 3-in-1 opportunity, because there's a lot of potential here, and I like what I see. Let's go ahead and look at this. Oh, if you want to buy it right now, the link is in the description below. If you don't have AWeber, the link is in the description below, and the training and everything. I like the sales page. I like it because it's not just hype, hype, hype. Jim actually gives a lot of information about the product, about the course, about what you can do with the course. And that's what I like about it. Some of the stuff that we see online all the time are all about trying to sell you a dream, and you pay your money and it's not very valuable. You can't really do anything with it, or they turn around and just try and sell you something else that's not going to be very valuable or useful. And what I like about this is he tries to really give you some ideas what you can do with this. Here are the 3 different ideas here that I was just mentioning. And you can go through this sales page yourself. And by the way, if you buy this, it also includes a sales page that you can take and use as your own, like rebrand it. And right here, if you click on this link, it opens a sales page, kind of like this can be your sales page. And I'll show you in just a minute everything that you get in this front end package. Now, they do have some offers, like a one-time offer kind of a thing. And they also even have a membership. So if you like the training, I've been looking and trying to find ways to build an online business for over a year and everything. And one of the hardest things to do is find somebody that you can learn from. And so what I might recommend is take this training at a great price. If you find that it's easy for you to understand and be able to apply, then maybe you might want to consider a membership with them. There's a link in the description about that too. But that's kind of how I look at things. Someone could be a great teacher, but if you can't listen to them and if you can't take what they teach you and actually apply it, then it's really not any good for you. And another thing that I can mention here is that they have a good 30-day money-back guarantee. So go through the marketing page, the sales page, and look at everything that you're going to get. And I'm going to show you the demo in the membership area. They also have the online training that's available for you. So not only can you download it as a product and then use it and rebrand it and everything, but there's also online training for you, which is the same training that you purchased so that you can resell. There's a lot to this. I'm kind of excited about it because I think there's so much to it. But also I wanted to get this video made because I came to realize shortly after I saw it and got one myself that actually the sale that's going on right now, which is only $10, ends this evening at 11 p.m. So I wanted to go ahead and create this review for you in case you want it. And also it's available later at still a low price, just not this low. Here we are with this, and then they have a one-time offer to get an advanced version of the crash course that you might want to consider. It lets you use the advanced course also as a PLR and everything. There's also a checklist that comes with this and transcripts for all the videos. I'm going to show you all of that in just a minute. And they also have the membership, which another offer will show you and talk to you a little bit about there. Let me take you and show you what you get. You get some zip files that you can download, and they include the basic course for the videos. If you purchase the advanced course, you'd get those also in a package and everything. You also have the transcripts for all the videos. So the videos, you have the transcripts, and when you look at the transcripts, I'll show you one in just a minute. There's also a checklist to take you through applying everything that you're going to be doing, which is actually a really well done one. These are the files that are used to build that sales page that's included with this purchase for you to be able to use yourself. There's also a lead magnet video training. In other words, a training video series that's a bonus so that you can go ahead and learn how to create lead magnets for opt-in pages, but also you can use this as a PLR right. You have PLR rights to be able to use this when you sell it. So when you sell the course to someone else, they can have the right to use this lead magnet course. And then there's also are included are the checklist for the training, and then another PLR that you can use as a lead magnet yourself to drive targeted traffic to get more subscribers and make more money online. And I've gone through this, and there's some really good information in here too. Now, like with any PLR products, I would suggest go through this and, make it your own. But there's good information, so it's a good PLR product overall. On the checklist, step-by-step checklist, and I'm going to show you the training area in the videos in just a moment. They kind of have a flow here of what you're going to be doing. And I like training like this that's kind of step-by-step. And then it walks you through what you're going to be doing. And it even mentions different other important topics along the way. Like here, it talks you through how you're going to make this opt-in page and all these pages in your own website. But if you don't have a website, it lets you know, oh, well, you don't have to have a website. You can actually do that in AWeber also, which is cool. If you look at the transcripts, all the videos also have transcripts. You could print out and follow along with that, as well as the checklist. So, there's a lot going on here at a really good price too. And so here we are in the membership area at the AWeber Crash Course. You'll have these videos yourself, so you don't have to be in a membership area. The videos are very well done. Step by step, over the shoulder kind of a thing, super large size icons so that you can follow along on the screen. But this is really well done. And there's a lot of information here, a lot of topics. If you purchase the advanced one-time offer, then you get the AWeber Crash Course Advanced. There's just a lot of information here. step by step how to do it. And I'm just kind of scrolling through here. I'm going to create a blog post for this video, and once it's available, you can click the link. I'll include that in the description too. I just wanted to put this out there in case it's something that you might be interested in. Why am I saying it's a 3-in-1 opportunity? Well, one, it's a complete PLR package that you can rebrand and sell or use as your own training course or product. It also includes those bonuses, that ebook, along with that other training on how to build an opt-in funnel. So that's one, it's a product, or products really, plural. It is also an online training course that you can access and put to use for yourself, even if it's just watching the videos after you download them. And you can put what you learn into practice for your own business, build your email list and subscribers and everything, and improve your strategies maybe even. And then third, also, if you take the training and everything and learn what you're doing and how to do it well, you can turn around and offer services to other businesses online and other people. Or if you're helping other people just in general, you could just make a video series for free and let people learn from you and everything. And that's a great way for people to learn whether or not they like how you talk, how you communicate, whether they can learn from your training. I have links in the description for AWeber if you don't have an account yourself and you're interested. I also have links to buy this if you're interested in purchasing it. I like what I see in all the sales pages. I think they're informative and encouraging. If you don't see anything in them that you like or want to try, then maybe it's not for you. If it's not for you, then pass on this. That's okay. I encourage you to take a look at it. Maybe it is something for you. You can learn a lot about this offer from the sales page. Jim does not seem to be overhyping things like a lot of others online do. They also have a good, what seems to be a really good 30-day money-back guarantee. And any email that I've sent to Jim in this process of getting ready to do a review and everything, he's been extremely responsive. And I would be surprised if he just wasn't always that way. Typically, people are responsive or they're not responsive. So this is great. You could get the course and you can ask him questions. The training looks good to me. It sounds good. The quality is good from everything I've seen so far. It also includes that checklist and the transcripts for the videos. I think that the purchase overall, it could be used as a product, a training that you can put online as training that you offer for people. You can sell it or you can let people opt in for it, kind of a thing. I might do something like that with this training because I like the training that well. If I do, maybe I'll make a video of it and offer it through a video, right? But right here, I mean, it's only $10 until 11 p.m. tonight. And then after that, I think it goes up to like $17. Still a good price. So how about my recommendations? I recommend this training if you're using AWeber or if you are on the fence about an autoresponder, like you don't have one. Now, the concepts that are taught in regard to how to use email list and build the list and opt-ins and stuff like that, the concepts could be used for any autoresponders. This one obviously focuses on AWeber. I have some more links and information in the description of the video if you're interested. I hope that this review has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.